Superior Dairy is a producer and distributor of top-quality milk and ice cream culture. Dedicated to food safety and quality, Superior Dairy maintains a safe quality food system, meaning they are continuously audited to ensure compliance. Superior Dairy needed a CMMS software to quickly and easily demonstrate SQF compliance. A CMMS could save them time and protect against failures that could hurt their certification. That's when Superior Dairy turned to eMaint. eMaint worked with Superior Dairy to build an SQF-friendly maintenance management system, establishing a PM structure for maintenance, sanitation, quality, and beyond. Now, Superior Dairy can quickly and easily demonstrate compliance to SQF auditors with the help of eMaint's audit trail and audit reports. And it worked. With eMaint CMMS, they passed their next SQF inspection without a single complaint. Simplify maintenance, compliance, and everything in between with eMaint.